You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Okay, Butch, go before it falls.
Go.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. It's about to fall. I had to put my...
How you doing, LPS-Dave?
Ages 3+, fingerboard games, basketball. I guess I'll just hold that like that. We played the hockey.
We played hockey. That was spectacular, LPS.
And it had this use the spring trigger to aim and shoot. And it's got a guy's pointer finger with a jersey on it.
We learned that it was not a very great mechanism.
No,
but boy, it had some power to
it. Was
it.
weak. That stuff doesn't work. But look at the picture.
Shoot!
Easy to assemble, easy to shoot. Now, there is one more, the foosball, which I'll probably have to do alone because I don't want to make you feel bad.
That might be too distracting.
You got to grab it, and I know you have a hard time with them little claws you got going on over there.
I had them trimmed. I went to see I had a pedicure.
A pedicure.
It's expensive because there's four. You got to do.
Yeah, so it's not a mani-pedi, it's just a petty.
Yeah.
I would like a petty.
It's a pet petty. Careful,
Now,
LPS.
I knew this guy a long time ago used to chew his nails. Do you do that?
Chew his toenails? That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard, LPS-Dave.
We'll keep that to ourselves.
How in the world do you get them up there?
Well, after you cut them off, keep a little jar, and then whenever you need a little snack, you grab the nail.
Cute. Oh.
All right, let's move on.
That's a whole nother level of gross, LPS-Dave.
Ooh, look at that.
What is that?
It's got to be a net or something. I don't know.
Is that the...
Where's the instructions? There's no instructions.
No instructions.
That's for the backboard, I'm guessing. This goes into here. This goes into here.
I get it, LPS-Dave. I thought that was some kind of a big blocker thing that you did.
This goes into here.
Careful.
Easy setup for the finger games. Yeah, instead of the Olympics, we're doing the finger games. Ooh, I like this one already. I could tell I'm going to like it.
I have a feeling you're going to shoot those things to the moon out of that launcher.
Shoot them to the moon. Now, interestingly enough, this one has an easier mechanism.
Insert and turn.
Yes.
Hockey one, not so much.
No, this is much better than the hockey one. Smooth action.
And you can turn it to aim.
One there, one there.
Wow.
Yeah, the hockey one was fixed.
Yes.
Oh,
watch out, everybody.
Okay, if I
Stand
make the
back,
first
everybody.
basket, you have to pay for lunch today.
Done.
If I miss the first basket, you have to pay for lunch.
Done.
So at this point, I'm getting a free lunch.
Right.
Do you mind?
LPS Dave, you know I don't have any money. It's all yours anyway.
He shoots, he scores, first one.
That right there was impressive, LPS Dave.
Yes, well, I had the technique down. See, I knew the pressure point of the... Let's center this. Now I'm going to miss because I'm straight. Oh.
That was pretty good.
Off the hoop. Ooh, off the backboard.
No.
Oh, better go get that one.
Ball.
Oh, can you get that one too?
Ball.
Thank you, sir.
God, LPS Dave. That was like soccer. Is there a soccer version of this?
In. Oh. In.
Whoa, I like that. Toilet flusher.
Oh, that one's going to go on the ground.
I got it.
You're going to have to crawl for that
Oh,
one.
boy.
In. Oh.
Got it, LPS Dave.
They're just flying everywhere.
Pretty good.
Thanks.
This is fun, LPS Dave. This is like a dog's dream right
I'm
here.
going to do a straight on shot here.
I'm going to block you.
How many finger games have we done on video? Do you remember?
Oh my gosh, it's got to be in the hundreds. How many videos are there total on the page?
7,800 and something.
So there's got to be at least 6,000 finger games, LPS Dave.
I don't know if there's 6,000.
Did I ever count it, maybe?
Content. Go to content. I'm just going to put in finger. Let's see what comes up with finger for my channel. Okay, so
scrolling. This is fascinating for the viewers right now.
Okay, we're gonna do finger game.
Scrolling.
Okay, so we have how to play the game Bob and Noggin. Okay, we did that one. Miniature book of miniature golf. That one was fun.
Remember that one, LPS Dave?
Miniature game. And then we have fingerboard games, golf, soccer, and football. Now, they look like the same type of games.
Same type of game, LPS.
So I
Dave.
still have those. So I don't have the golf. We didn't show the soccer and football, but it looks like the same foosball. So I might not have to make that video. And you were in it too. Let's see.
Of course I was. LPS.
So now I've expounded upon
The
this.
guy with no fingers has to be on the game with fingers.
Now we've expounded. Now I don't have to do it. Let me see. Because I have a video of it being played. Oh, skip the ad. Skip. Here we
No,
go.
get credit for it, LPS. Dave.
No. That's against YouTube rules.
Oh, we don't do that. That's right.
Hey!
Ah, here they are.
And Butch, it is Finger Sport Day.
I've been warming up all morning, LPS Dave. I am ready.
Football, golf, soccer. So now I have a complete set of 6. Or
Interesting.
5.
They are different. The front of that one's different. It's
Yes,
got-
but these are older. Let's get the foosball. There's that. A foosball.
In or out?
Yeah, same one.
Let's see, this is this way.
Wow, LPS Dave.
I can't believe I did it.
I wonder if you made any of the baskets in the basketball version of it.
Oh, of course I did. Well, the football one. Yeah, the basketball one I'm doing now. The football one.
Device. Okay,
Well,
looks
here's
like it's
the
going
here's
to
the very scary
lock
thing.
in here like
This
that.
is from 8 years ago, and I can go to the exact bin. I know exactly what bin those are in. It is in the fingerboard small
game.
handheld games. Yeah, and I can grab it, and now I have them all.
Interesting. You mean in the aisle in the warehouse?
Yes. I pretty much know where everything is in every bin.
That was one of your life goals, was to have a complete set of the fingerboard games.
Why am I really going?
There you go. You get a little nervous that you're going to overshoot it.
Yeah, I don't want to have to keep you running around. You work up too much energy. It takes up too much fuel.
Let's see. Let me think of other games that might be available in the finger games. They have water polo, LPS Dave.
I don't think they have water polo.
Lacrosse.
I don't think they have lacrosse.
Biathlon.
They don't have
Where you
biathlon.
cross-country ski and then shoot a
Negative.
gun. Not good.
Negative. Negative.
What about, what else would be a good table board finger game?
Well, we played basketball finger game. We played the Olympics. We did the Olympics. It was
Olympics.
pool. We
Pool.
did the finger game Olympics. You and I.
Yes.
That was a long time ago, 11 years ago. We did time to play the finger bowling, finger football tabletop novelty set, and how to play the mini wood bowling game. So that's just on those 2 keywords.
Fascinating, LPS Dave.
Well, so I guess I'm not going to do this.
Well, you did it.
I've already done it,
You're not doing soccer.
and I can't return it. So I'll add it to the bin. Maybe one day we'll just get that bin and we'll just check
Just
them all
mix
out.
them all up, maybe.
I did that last year. I went through the Christmas bin and showed everything. I went through the Easter bin and showed everything. I went through the Valentine's Day bins and showed everything. So maybe I'll just grab a strange bin
Strange bin day.
and just look at everything that's in there and talk about it.
That might take, you could do that for months because you have bunches of strange bins, LPS
Yeah,
Dave.
yeah, true. Well, we do appreciate you all taking the time and appeasing Butch and making him feel welcome and part of the channel. After so many years, he still maybe feels a
A
little
little left out.
No, that's
A little,
what I'm saying.
forsaken. A little not appreciated.
No. Keep
A
going.
little
Unloved.
underfed.
Underfed. A little underfed.
We can agree on that.
All right. Well, I don't want to end. I just want to stay and hang out with you forever.
Oh, LPS Dave. That sounds like a song.
I want to stay and hang out with you forever and play finger games and show
Do they have
everybody that lacrosse is not a game.
Do
You
they
can play
have-
basketball
What else?
and you can just let them roll around.
Do they have hockey?
They have hockey.
Do they have soccer?
Yeah, we
Do
got
they have basketball?
Yes. Yeah, we got all those.
You sure?
Positive in golf, yeah.
They have golf. They have pool.
Yeah,
And basketball.
I think we said that.
Soccer? Hockey. I'm just checking. Just the important ones.
No need to triple check. Triple check.
Did I say soccer?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, well, I think this is...
Basketball. We've got basketball.
Okay, this wraps it up. We do appreciate you all of you watching. And Butch feels unfed, but we will take care of that after the
Ooh, there's a
game.
ball over here.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Thanks, Butch.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.